Okay, today we're talking about important tire safety information. Okay, you want to inspect your tires regularly, not just air pressure. But let's explain some of the numbers on the sidewall of your tires. This is the width of your tire in millimeters. This is the ratio of height to width. R stands for radial tire. The 17 is the diameter of the wheel in inches. Down here it tells you your max load and max air pressure. And if you look here, this is where you air your tires up. It's a Schrader valve, but this tire has a tire pressure monitoring sensor. And the other thing I want to show you is these tread wear indicators. It's a little arrow that points to these wear bars right here. So when your tread wears down, even with those wear bars, you need to replace your tires. Actually, replace them before they get to that point. When they start to get close to the wear bars, you want to replace them. Also check for cracks or other damage. So this tire tread depth chart shows us good tread is anything above 730 seconds. Tread depth 730 seconds to 430 seconds is okay. Anything lower than 430 seconds is bad, and the legal limit is 230 seconds. You can buy these tire tread depth gauges online. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.